Welcome back to This Day in Scottish History. I'm your host, Colin MacDonald. Today, we're stepping back to December 14th, 1896, a day that marked a significant milestone in Scottish engineering and urban transport. On this day, the Glasgow Subway, the third oldest metro system in the world, officially began operations. Known today as the Clockwork Orange, the Glasgow Subway has been a vital part of the city's history, shaping its urban landscape and becoming a cultural icon in its own right. In the late 19th century, Glasgow was a bustling industrial city. Its growing population, fueled by industrialisation and immigration, required a more efficient means of transportation. The streets were often congested with horse drawn carriages and early trams, leading city planners to look underground for a solution. Construction of the subway began in 1891 using the innovative cut and cover method for much of its route. This method involved digging a trench, laying the tracks, and then covering it over. The engineers designed a simple circular route to connect key parts of the city, which remains the foundation of the system to this day. At its inception, the Glasgow subway spanned just 6.5 miles with 15 stations, making it compact but remarkably efficient. One of the subway's most intriguing features was its use of cable haul technology. Unlike today's electric trains, the original trains were moved by a continuous cable loop powered by stationary steam engines. The system was groundbreaking, yet it came with its own set of challenges, including frequent wear and tear on the cables. The subway's narrow tunnels, measuring just 11 feet wide, were another distinctive feature. These were among the smallest in the world, designed to fit the compact, narrow gauge trains that continue to define the system's unique character. December 14th, 1896 saw the grand opening of the Glasgow subway. The system immediately became a point of pride for the city, offering a reliable and modern transportation option for workers and residents. However, the first day wasn't without its hitches. There were technical issues, and many Glaswegians were hesitant to ride the newfangled underground trains. Still, the subway quickly gained popularity, carrying over 9 million passengers in its first year alone. The subway underwent a major transformation in 1935 when the cable haul system was replaced with electric traction, aligning it with modern metro systems. This change improved reliability and efficiency, allowing the subway to handle increasing passenger demand. Further modernisation came in the 1970s with a comprehensive refurbishment. The system was temporarily closed for nearly 3 years to upgrade stations, rolling stock, and signalling. It reopened in 1980 with its now famous orange livery, earning it the nickname Clockwork Orange. The Glasgow subway is more than just a means of transport, it's a symbol of the city's industrial spirit and resilience. Over the years, it has inspired countless works of art, music, and even comedy sketches, becoming a beloved institution for Glaswegians. It remains the only metro system in Scotland and continues to serve as a critical part of Glasgow's transport network. Its compact circular design still links key areas such as the city centre, West End, and South Side, making it a lifeline for commuters and visitors alike. As we reflect on the events of December 14th, 1896, we celebrate the Glasgow subway's legacy as a pioneering achievement in public transport. From its humble beginnings as a cable hauled metro to its modern incarnation as an efficient electrified system, the subway stands as a testament to Glasgow's ingenuity and adaptability. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. Tune in tomorrow for another enlightening episode of This Day in Scottish History. I'm Colin MacDonald. Haste ye back.